Hey everybody, we're going to be looking today on how to add with base 10 blocks. So I have your I can statement up here. It says I can add with base 10 blocks. What we're going to do today is work on adding 3-digit numbers and then work on adding 4-digit numbers with our base 10 blocks. The first one I'm going to add is 342 plus 239. That's what I'm going to add first. What you're going to do when you add with base 10 blocks is you want to draw this number first, 342. So I'm going to go ahead and draw them here. I have 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 2 ones. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch colors so this is easier for you to see. I'm going to add the 239 to it next. So I'm going to add 2 hundreds plus 3 tens and 9 ones. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look down and I'm going to try to see what values I have in each of my place values. In the ones place, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones. But I know that when I go to actually build my number in standard form, I can't have 11 ones. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 10 of these and I'm going to convert them into a 10. So I'm going to take 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to move them over and I'm going to make another 10 because 10 ones can make a 10. Now I'm only left over with 1 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds. So my answer is going to be 5 hundreds, 4 tens, and 1 1, which is 541. The next one we are going to add is 162 plus 253. Remember, my first step is to draw my first number. So I have 100, 6 tens, and 2 ones. Next, I'm going to add my second number. I'm going to add the 253 to this. So I'm going to add 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 3 ones. My 3 ones added to the 2 ones equals 5 ones, so that's okay to leave. But when I get to my tens place, I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert those tens to 100. So I'm going to take 10 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and those are going to convert into 100. So that's when I would put 10 tens together to make 100. Now I just have 1 10 left, and I have 4 hundreds. So my answer would be 415. The next one we're going to do is 247 plus 185. The reason I chose this one specifically is because you're going to have to convert 2 different times. That's also called regrouping. You'll have to regroup 2 different times. I'm going to draw my first number, 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. And then I'm going to add my second one, 185. 100, 8 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 ones. Then what I need to do is I'm going to look at my ones place, my tens place, and my hundreds place. In my ones place, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones. So I'm going to have to take 10 of those and move them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's going to change into a 10, and now I have 2 ones. Let's look at our tens place. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tens, which is a lot. I need to convert those, so I'm going to take 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those will change into 100. So I'm left with 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. So my answer here is 432. My next number is going to be 325 plus 397. This one I would like for you to try on your own, so pause the video, see if you can handle it on your own, and then come back and check with me when you're done. Now that you've paused it, solved it on your own, and are playing it again, let's see how to solve it. Your first number is 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones. Now I need to add my 397. So 3 more hundreds, 9 tens, and 7 ones. We'll start from the ones and build our way up to see what number would go in each place value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ones are too many, so I'm going to convert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of those are going to change into a 10. Now I'm left with 2 ones. Let's look at our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tens. That's a lot. So I'm going to take 10 of them and move them to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens are the same thing as 100. Now I'm left with 2 tens left over and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700. So my answer is 722. Your I can statement for this lesson was I can add with base 10 blocks.